Hello everyone, I Subhash Chandra Kanade welcome you all in the video series on series hybrid vehicles. Today I am going to discuss one hybrid bus, Alexander Dennis Enviro 400 ER. Before that, we will try to decode the meaning of series hybrid vehicles. First of all, we will have a look on the definition of hybrid electric vehicles. Hybrid electric vehicle is a vehicle in which propulsion energy is available from two or more types of energy sources and at least one of them can deliver electric energy. Depending on this general definition, there are many types of hybrid electric vehicles such as gasoline IC engine plus battery, diesel IC engine plus battery, battery plus fuel cell, battery plus ultra capacitors, battery plus flywheel. Depending on how various components are arranged, there are four possible configurations: series hybrid vehicle, parallel hybrid vehicle, series parallel hybrid vehicle, complex hybrid vehicles. But in this particular video series, we will restrict ourselves to series hybrid systems only. In this series hybrid system, the mechanical output of IC engine is first converted into electric energy using generators, and this converted electric energy can be used to charge the battery, or it can be directly given to the electric motor and then to the mechanical transmission system. Now we will shift to our hybrid bus Enviro 400 ER. This bus Enviro 400 ER is manufactured by Alexander Dennis Limited. Alexander Dennis Limited is a part of global bus manufacturer NFI Group. It is a global leader in design and manufacturing segment of double-decker buses, and it is UK's largest bus and coach manufacturer. Alexander Davis Limited offers their services in United Kingdom, Ireland, Europe, Hong Kong, Singapore, as well as United States of America. But first question and most important question is, why do we need series hybrid drivetrains? The answer is the ideal torque speed characteristics of electric motor are similar to what we need for a vehicle. But the problem is the charging infrastructure is not so developed, so we cannot directly shift to fully electric mode. Plus, the smart control system helps to utilize the benefits from fully electric mode as well as engine powered mode. Again, the retrofitting can be done very easily. So we can, in other ways, we can say that series hybrid buses are the part of the transition process where we are aiming for our long-term goal of fully electric modes. Now we will have a look on the vehicle specifications of Enviro 400E. The vehicle type used is 2-axle double-deck extended range hybrid bus with welded steel chassis and aluminum body. There are two possible combinations depending on the passenger capacity. First, first choice is 10.3 meter length, 2.55 meter width and 4.3 meter height, and second possible choice is 11 meter length, 2.55 meter width and 4.3 meter height. The gross vehicle weight is 18,000 kg. The hybrid system used is BAE Systems Series ER diesel electric extended range series hybrid system with diesel engine Cummins B4.5 with 4-cylinder 4.5 liter capacity and 157 kilowatt power. The electric motor used is BAE Systems DDTM 100 permanent magnet motor with peak power 195 kilowatt and peak torque 2100 Newton meter. The energy storage system is composed of lithium nickel manganese cobalt battery with energy of 32 kilowatt hour. Here are some other specifications of Enviro 400 ER. The passenger capacity can be 64 or 67 depending on the combinations. The heating and ventilation system used is blown air heating system with forced air ventilation. Now we come to last but not least part of the series hybrid electric vehicles, which is smart control system using GPS geofencing. This smart control system helps you to shift to fully electric mode when we enter in the city regions like school. So this helps to achieve our goal of zero emission zones. Thank you.